beautiful day out here in Washington. The view, look at the view. Beautiful out here, man. This is gonna be a different video. This ain't a motor vlog, I'm gonna tell y'all that. Ain't a motor vlog. I'm gonna talk to y'all. I just want to give y'all some riding footage, y'all feel me? Got some train tracks over here, but before this video gets started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You know, join the dream. Hit the subscribe button, hit the join. Yo, before this video gets started, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Join the moto gang. We the littest moto vlogging gang out there. I'm just saying. We small right now, but we growing. We lit out here. And, you know, I got a lot of different videos, man. But yo, seriously, help me subscribe, hit the notification bell, drop a comment down below. Watch like all my videos. I got like playlists of like all my motor vlogs, mechanics, you know, stuff I fixed on my R1, things like that. You know, if you like the way this bike sound, you like the way that sound, just give me a like. You feel me? Just give me a like. So, you know, you feel me? But I'm gonna finish this video at the crib, and we gonna talk about just like, I just want to talk about like my thoughts on like YouTube and just creators in general. You feel me? So we're gonna talk about that. We on. What's good? What's good, y'all? What's good? Motoloso gang. Alright, so made it back. This is like a couple days. This is a couple days after the vlog, the moto vlog. I'm here with Ghost. The Ghost right here. You know, she parked up. So I just want to talk about YouTube, man. So shout out to my supporters and the subscribers for really following me in the journey from I think I started this channel like December, and we're already at 200 subscribers, 200 plus subscribers. So shout out to y'all. Y'all already know how long it takes to edit, come up with ideas to make these videos, and basically putting in the effort to edit, produce the videos, buying the equipment, you know, maintaining the bike. I just did an oil change or whatever to Ghosty yesterday, so I did the oil change. She sounds amazing. I might start it off for you guys. So it just takes a lot of time, and basically I want to just talk about, not really complain, but just explain to y'all, like, YouTube really makes it hard for like creators. Really, you know, there's a lot of rules, guidelines you gotta follow, and they just make it hard to really make money off of YouTube. So I just want to say I appreciate y'all for, you know, hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, and those of you that like the videos, much love to y'all. Those of y'all that subscribe and hit the bell, thank y'all for joining the Motoloso gang. But today, after y'all do that, after y'all hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, I want to talk about a little bit about this R7 that they just dropped. So Yamaha just dropped the commercial maybe earlier this week for the Yamaha R7 2022. One of the biggest things, straight to the point, one of the biggest things about this new bike is the drop in power. Coming from the R6 the R6 they're turning into a track bike only, so it's no longer going to be used for street use. They dropped the power down on the R7 to 73 horsepower. 73 horsepower, coming from the R6 has 118 horsepower, and the amount of torque that the R6 has, so it's going to be a big drop in power. So it's going to be like the R3, like a tuned R3, like the one I had previously. So It's not gonna be that torquey, you know. It's like a 689cc bike, liquid cooled, 4-stroke, inline twin cylinder engine in the R7. But man, I think other than that, other than the loss in power, it should be a pretty nice bike. I think it'll be a good, pretty much like a beginner bike, or it's a bike to just have fun with. It should be pretty lightweight, pretty flickable. I'm just gonna consider it I'm gonna consider it like a 400, like a good 400 bike. You know, the price is priced really reasonable. It's under 10,000, so you know you really can't complain there. And you know the fairings, it has, so basically it has the MT09 engine in it, and just with fairings, and the fairings kind of replicates the R1. The only thing about the design of it I don't really care for is the front headlight. Has like that one bulb, you know. As a Yami fan, I really don't care for the one headlight thing. You know, it's not as troll like or obnoxious like as like the Suzuki's, like the Gixxer folks. But man, I really don't care for the front headlight. But besides that, you know, it's keeping up the same design as the R3. The R3 kind of has that same similar front end, and the newer R1s have that similar front end. So they're keeping it all, the designs pretty consistent there. But I'm gonna just say I'm not really feeling the headlight, the running lights on the front. And yeah, that's my biggest thing. Let me know what y'all think about the R7. I don't have much to say about other than that, but that's about it. So make sure thank y'all for watching this. Thank y'all, Motor Gang. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It's your boy Motoloso. We out.